Dear students, today here we are going to discuss the part which is called the minor and cofactors of determinants. It is very useful section and it is also very useful to get the inverse of a matrix, and from the competitive point of view it is also very useful. Then we first read the definition of minor. And what is minor? Minor of an element, minor of an element Aij of a determinant is the determinant obtained by deleting its ith row and jth column in which element Aij lies. Minor of Aij is denoted as Mij. For example, if we have to find the minor of element 6, in given determinant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that is our determinant. Then, as our definition states, that we have to find the minor of 6. So first we have to delete the third column and second row. Then, and it places second row and third column. It means M23. M23 is equal to, after deleting third column and second row, we have to 1, 2, 7, 8. Then it is 8 minus 14 is equal to minus 6. This is the fundamental of method of finding the minors of any determinant. Actually, it is the method to find the minor of element. Now we come at cofactor. Cofactor of element, cofactor of an element Aij denoted as capital Aij is defined by Aij is equal to -1 power I plus j multiplied with Mij, where Mij, as we have stated above, that Mij was the minor of the element Aij. Then if the above example we want to find the cofactor of A23, then we have -1 power 2 plus 3 and M23 was -6. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, -1 power 5 is equal to -1, and -1 multiplied -6 is equal to 6. Then cofactor of A23 is equal to capital A23 is equal to 6. We have to know another important thing. If elements of a row or column are multiplied with cofactors of any other rows or columns, then their sum is 0. It means if we multiply the cofactors of the other rows and column to a row or column which is either side, then their sum is 0. We will use this concept in our question solving. Then now we come to exercise number 4.4. Second question is first of the second. We have a determinant which is given 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Then minor of 1 1 is equal to 1 0 0 1. It implies 1 minus 0, that is 1 M12 0 0 0 1 0 minus 0 is 0. M13 0 0 0 1. M13 means first row and third column will be deleted, then we have 0 1 0 0. M21 second row and first column. Similarly, we can find out all the minors. and the cofactor 1 1 is equal to minus 1 power 1 plus 1 m11, that is 1, a12 minus 1 power 1 plus 2 m12 is equal to 0. Similarly, you can find this. It is very easy concept to find out the cofactors and minors. Now we come at equation number 3. We have given a determinant 5, 3, 8, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. And question says that using the cofactors of the elements of the second row. Second rows, all elements will be considered. Then second row is equal to A21, A22, A23. Then determinants is equal to A21 multiplied with cofactors of A21, A22, cofactor A22 plus A23, cofactor of A23. Now A21 is equal to minus 1 power 2 plus 1, 3, 8, 2, 3. A21, second row and first column. Then we have second row and first column, 3, 8, 2, 3. 3, 8, 2, 3. Similarly, we can get all the cofactors and put in this. Then we have answer of the determinants. In fourth question, we have to use the elements of the third column. Third column is A13, A23. Third column means this. Then A13, A23 and A33. Similarly, the determinant is equal to A13 cofactor A13, A23 cofactor A23 plus A33 cofactor A33. Now we can find A13, A23, A33. Now the cofactor A13 is equal to Z minus Y, A23 is equal to X minus Z, A3 is equal to Y minus X. Now the value of this determinant is equal to YZ, Z minus Y plus ZX, X minus Z plus XY, Y minus X. After simplification, after some steps, we can get the result of the determinant is X minus Y, Y minus Z and Z minus X. So, after simplification, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, after 6 steps, we can get our preferred result X minus Y, Y minus Z and Z minus X. So students, it was the exercise based on the minor and cofactors. Next exercise, which is 4.5, is based on adjoint and inverse of matrix, which we will discuss in further video. Thank you.